Let's make homemade dog biscuits. To make brown rice flour, just grind 2 cups of brown rice in a mixer grinder and keep it aside. In a clean bowl, crack 2 whole eggs and whisk them. Add a pinch of turmeric powder as it's really good for dogs. Now add half a cup of milk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And sieve in your brown rice flour. All you need to do now is combine it into a dough. Here I'm sharing 2 methods of how to shape your biscuits. Step 1. Line it between 2 parchment sheets or silicone mat. Roll it into a thin sheet and cut it using a cookie cutter. Dogs really don't care how their biscuits are shaped. So you can use any shapes you feel like. For shaping, simply make a ball out of the dough in your hand. Put the ball on the silicone mat and press it until you have the right thickness. Now dock it with a fork so that it gets cooked throughout. We are looking for a really crunchy biscuit here. Dogs love to have biscuits because of their crunch. Time to bake these until golden brown. This base recipe can always be modified. Here I'm adding some grated carrot mixed with some flour. This mixture will be mixed with my base recipe. You can also add some ginger or peanut butter, anyhow you feel like. Shape and bake the biscuits in a similar way. Here's how the biscuits should look after they have baked. Listen to the snap. After cooling, the biscuits are ready to be served. Enjoy!
दाएं बाएं चाहत छाई फिर से भूली बिसरी यादें आई घिर के किसने चाहत ये